Today we start the chapter number first for math 1, that is set. Now you see the different example: flower of the onicat, bunch of keys, flock of birds, notebooks, and collection of numbers. In every this bunch, we have to count this number. And that means number of keys you count, number of flowers also you count, number of birds, number of books, and number of the numbers on that. So the in this example, we can clearly list the object of the collections. So, so we call the collection of such object is called as a set. Now, see this example: happy children in the village and brilliant students in the class. The children which are happy and students which are brilliant. In this manner, we don't recognize how much students are brilliant and how much children are happy. So that is not an example of set. Now some examples and from we define which are the set or not. First, days of the week. Definitely you can count it. So first one is the set, month in a year. Also, already it is also it is a set. Brave children in the class. The example number third is not a set because you can't count brave children in the class. First 10 counting numbers, it is also set. Strong force of Maharashtra, it not also count. And 6 planets in our solar system, it also countable. So problem number third and fifth are not set, remaining are the example of set. Now see the definition of set. If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection, then the collection is called as a set. Then how to write the set? Name of the set you can write with the capital letter from A to Z. Any capital letter you can write from A to Z. Also member of element of the set, that is you can write on the small letters from A to Z. A is an element of set A. It is written like this: A is an element of set A. If A is not an element of set A, that you can write like this: A is not an element of set A. Set of numbers, that is natural number set from 1 to 3 is a set of the natural numbers. Whole numbers, it start from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, set of the whole numbers. Set of the integer is from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 is a set of the integers. Is a set of the rational numbers, and last one R is a set of the real numbers. Now method of the writing of the set.